Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to explain about if functionality. If is all about either this or that, true, false, yes, no, qualify and disqualify. Technically, if function contains three arguments: logical test, value if true, and value if false. For example, I'm going to give one example. So many stores offer discounts based on the total purchase amount, right? You can use the if function to determine if a customer is eligible for a discount or not. If the total amount spent is above a specific value, then they get a discount. Otherwise, they pay the full price. Okay. Here I have some sample data which contains date, employee ID, employee name, designation, and attendance status. So the particular day on 22nd of July. So some are on week off and some are present. So this is the status I have, and here beside that we have some target, daily target. So each employee target is 700. Okay, so 700 units or dogs or something. Okay, 700 is the target for each employee. So the question is, if the employee is present, automatically the target will show you 700. If the employee is absent, like week off, the target should be the 0. So I will perform. First of all, I'm going to start formula equal to, and then name of the formula IF. I will press tab to open formula and the logical test. Then beside that, value if true and value if false. In this whole syntax, we have logical test as a mandatory argument, and value if true and value if false is a optional arguments. Now we are also standing at logical test because it's bold, right? So logical test is a basically condition to put in this formula. Okay, so here I'm taking the logical test should be the E3. So when we are selecting the this column, it automatically displays E3. If E3 equal to present, so the P I'm just keeping into the double quote, then the arguments will run. If E3 is present, it shows the value if true shows 700 target, or else 0. Okay, if the person is present, the target should be 700 or else 0. So I'm closing the bracket, enter. See, employee status is present and his target is displayed 700. So let's try for week off. Okay, I'm just going down, doing Control D. Now you can check here. This employee is a week off on particular day, which is automatically displays 0. So like this function will works, guys. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and share to your friends. And if you have any doubts, just comment in the comment section. Thank you.